Hey everybody, the College Railroader here, and look what just came in the mail today. The amazing Walther's National Model Railroad Build-Off Contest Bundle. So this was the Down by the Station set, like I showed you in our last video. So today I'm gonna unbox all this amazing stuff. We're gonna start looking at the different buildings or the different theater that they give us, and then we're gonna start kind of figuring out how we're gonna build this diorama. So come follow me, let's unbox this thing. So starting off, the moment I started moving this box, it was already really heavy. So, you know, again, this is $200 worth of amazing Walther's products. So I can't wait to start opening and looking inside of what we have. So let's start this this giant tube. Alrighty, let's see what we have in here. You know, I know they said, you know, no backdrops or anything, so I don't really know. I honestly have no idea what's in here. And I can't get it open. Hold on. Ooh, here we go. Alright, what is it? Oh! Oh my god, they're tracks. Oh, wow. 3 feet? Yeah. Three of them. Three 3-foot Walther's Flex tracks. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So now, oh, there's a lot we can play with in here. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, that's what was in the tube. Alright, sweet. So let's put those off to the side. Alright, let's begin. I'm gonna open it. I'm not even gonna look and close my eyes. We got, ooh, we got some baggage carts. Look at that. Look at that amazing, look at that. Whole bunch of people inside, including the kid. There are 5 carts. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. Oh, no way. Oh, turf. Oh, wow, grass flocking. Nice, so we can add some grass and like a nice feel, like behind the station or something. Oh wow, I didn't think they were gonna bring it. I didn't think we were gonna even have turf in there. Oh, okay. All right, so look, I see some boxes. Those are barrels. Some like sacks of like almost like sandbags. Oh, this must be for like a depot or just to kind of go with the baggage carts. Oh, very nice. Okay. Very nice. Alright, let's see what's next. No way. Whoa! A signal with the wires. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, no, I've never have I ever had like lights to a layout like this, so I can't wait. Oh wow, that's amazing. Oh, I've never had lights before. Oh, that's awesome. This one looks like the sit. Ah! We got 2 of them! Wow! Oh wow, we get 2 of these bad boys. Oh, look at that. So, for 1 on each side for the crossing. That's oh my goodness, that's awesome. I was not expecting that at all. What's this? Oh! Wow. It's concrete, like curbs and slabs, so like to make like a sidewalk or a walkway. Oh wow, and the cracks in it and a little piping on the side. Wow. Oh, you could always need more of these for people. Wow. And then look, there's even like the grass. Ooh, so there's even like grass on the turf over here. That would be really cool to do. Like a little field or like a park. Wow. What is? Ooh. This is the wood station, shelter, and platform. Look how beautiful, right? Those platforms look. Oh wow. Oh boy, and I'm the one who has to build this. Oh, stunning! Absolutely stunning. Oh, I love those kind of outdoor platforms. Those look great. What's this? This. Oh, a switching tower. I love these interlocking towers. Again, these are great for any freight station or right next to a station when you have, you know, just a lot of switch tracks or just busy traffic flow. These are always great to have. Look at that. They have the stairs on the sides. I love the green. Oh, awesome. Awesome. And there's still more. There's still more stuff in here. Oh, this is heavy. No way! Oh, wow. Oh my, it's so tall. It's so long. wow, sorry. I'm getting excited. I haven't looked at these. This is the trackside post office. Look. So this is like the freight depot. This is it. Look in the side. Look, you see the people with the carts. Whole bunch of stuff. Look. 13 inches long. This is gonna be, it's bigger than a ruler. This is, oh, and I love the brick. That's beautiful. Wow. Thank you, Walthers. This is beautiful. And this is heavy. I can only imagine what's gonna happen when I build this. And there's still more. I grabbed a couple of things. Let me put them down. Oh, wow. Okay. It's parking lots. And they're flexible. Paved road adhesive. So you just stick. Oh my god, this is awesome. You just lay it on top, peel it off, stick it, or just leave it as is. Wow. No, I've never used anything like that. I just always had it just loose on a table. That's awesome. What's this? Ooh. Okay, this is what I saw on the pictures of down by the station. I was not expecting, over 100 little piece of grass, and there's 2 different colors. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Wow, I was not expecting so many. That and the turf. Wow. Okay. What are these 2 things? Yay! Oh, yay! Figurines! Oh, look how amazing. Oh, that's awesome. I thought I was gonna have to buy my own or paint my own. That's amazing. What else? Oh, it's a crossing thing. It's like a crossing platform. You lay it over the wood so cars can go across. So you use that with the signals. Amazing. Oh, down at the station. A busy station. Oh my goodness. Oh, more figures. Wow. Look, another one just with another one for people carrying backpack, suitcases. Look at the color. Look at how detailed those figures are. All the different colors. Wow. So we have 4 different kinds of people. Look at this one for like a shipping company. This must be, or I could use it for the post office. Look at all of them. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And I think there's one more. There's one more. Wow. Oh my god, this is even taller than the post office. It's the city station. Look. I can't. Words don't describe how excited I am for this build-off. Oh my goodness. Wow. 17.5 inches long. To put in perspective, the post office was only 13. This is 1.5 feet. Modeled in 5 colors and clip. I can't wait to start building all these and to show these. Wow. So we have 4 buildings, it looks like. I'm going to lay them out on the table to show how much stuff was included. And this was a $200 bundle. This is amazing. This is top quality Walther's products. Let's lay them all out on the table and let's see how big and how amazing this bundle truly is. Let's go. I have no words. Look how amazing this is. Look at all this. We're going to start from the back again. So we have 4 buildings. We have the wood station and platforms, right? We have the interlocking tower, the city station, and the trackside post office with the concrete curbs and sidewalks. Again, we have three amazing flex tracks. Again, look at over here. We have baggage cars, 4 different types of people packs. Beautiful. We have grass for turf, and we have beautiful little shrubberies. Amazing. We have, again, different boxes and bags and storage for the post office, for the freight yard, for on the platforms, anything. We have two of lights and crossing guards. There's no gate, but there's still lights. The fact that there's lights blows my mind. We have parking lots, and we have the crossing gate. I'm gonna zoom back again because I need to take this in. This is amazing! Wow, I cannot wait to start building or start opening these up. So, not only am I honored at Walther's again for giving me this amazing products to both review and to also, you know, anticipate more people to join this build-off. This is going to be an amazing year for this build-off to happen. With everything going on, this is great to get back into it. I'm overwhelmed, to say the least. I'm speechless. I can't wait. I also can't wait to see all the amazing other bundles that Walther's is doing. The Down by the Station, the Coal Country, the Grain Belt. These are amazing bundles, right? I can't think of any other company to pull this off, to work with such amazing scenery, and then for us to for Walther's to give us the creative will, here's our products, here's, we're gonna give everybody the same ones. You work the magic, and how do they connect together in your world? Amazing. And that's kind of the joy of building this, is you have such a freedom, and no one's holding your hand, and no one's telling you not to do anything. This is your own free will. You work with what you have, and you're gonna make it perfect. So I can't wait for other model railroaders to join me. I really can't wait to see what other people have posted. I would love to see their progress reports just as much as mine. So hopefully we'll get to kind of build a cool community about this. But yeah, I can't wait. This is amazing. Walther's, this is amazing. And just like that, we're on the right track. I'll see you real soon when we come back. Thank you so much for watching the College Railroader today. Make sure to be on the lookout for new videos coming soon. Take care, folks. Happy building.